Today we are just going to show how to install a VMware workstation in your home PC. Okay, it will be very helpful to build a lab setup or for any study purpose. You can try this. So let me show you what is the basic configuration with this PC. Properties: 8 GB RAM and a i5 processor. Okay, go with the package. I'm installing Workstation 10. I prefer to go with a older version if you are using a low configuration PC. So run as administrator. Next, you can accept the terms, license agreement. I'm going with the typical. You can change the path if you required. This is the default path for VMware installation. I'm not preferring for the updates since we are installing an older version. This is also not required. This you can add for a shortcut key. Even you can add an SSD disk that will give better performance. Okay, as a C drive. Yeah, finish. Okay, so tomorrow or the next session we will be discussing about how to create a virtual machine. Okay, so creating a virtual machine will be very helpful for lab creation as well as study purpose. We can create a virtual machine by using Windows, Linux and all. That will be going to see in the next session. Okay, uh, to activate this VMware workstation you can go to help, enter license key, get license key from the VMware site, or you can get it from the online sources. Okay, thanks for watching the